Hello everyone. So today we will look at how to install Unity game engine. So basically Unity is a very powerful tool which will help you to build different games in different platform. So what you just need to do is just you need to type Unity Hub and you will get the first link for downloading Unity. So before downloading Unity we will take a look at the Unity Hub. So Unity Hub is nothing but a place where you will see bunch of different versions of the Unity, as well as it will keep a track of your bunch of different projects. So yeah, like after coming into this website, you just need to hit on the download Unity Hub, and as simple as that, your setup will get downloaded. I have already downloaded the setup, so I'm just directly opening it. So yeah, here is the Unity Hub setup. So I'm just double clicking on that, and yeah, basically I agree, and you just select the location where you want to install, and you just need to install, like you just need to hit the install button, as simple as that. I'm not going to install it because I have already I have already Unity Hub installed in my PC, so it will create problems for me. But yeah, like as simple as that, you just double click on the setup and you just hit to install the software. Thanks a lot. So yeah, as you can see into my screen, so this will be the interface of the Unity Hub if you are opening up after installing. So don't worry if you are not seeing any of the project, because these are my personal projects. So suppose you are working with the Unity and Unity Hub for the very first time, you might not see any list here under the project tab. So I will cover the basic tabs of this Unity Hub. So basically, as the name suggests, projects, it will contain a list of the project. Learn is something where you can watch the videos provided by the Unity team as well as other people to learn the Unity game development. Community is similar to, if you are facing some issues while working, you can ask the Unity community for getting your doubt resolved. And then comes the installs. Again, installs will have bunch of different versions that are already installed in your PC. Right now we haven't completed the Unity installation. This is just a Unity Hub installation, so don't get confused. This is Unity Hub installation that we have done right now, and these are the list of the Unity versions. And right now, as you are opening for the Unity, as you are opening Unity Hub for the first time, you might not see any of it. Okay, so yeah, these are the 4 tabs. This is something you don't need to worry about learn and community right now. Majorly you will be working with projects and installs. So yeah, that's it for the basic Unity Hub interface. Hey guys, hi. I hope you have installed the Unity Hub. If not, please follow the instructions till now and install the Unity Hub. Right now we will be installing Unity software into our computer. So into the installs, as you can see, there is a tab here, installs. You just need to click that. After that, click the button add, because we are going to add a new version, right? And just ignore about these. Consider you don't have any of it, so no issues. As you are using for the Unity Hub first time, you will not see anything. So just hit on the add. After that, there will be one pop-up. uh, so in bracket you can see something called as LTS, that is long term support. So every software company provides a long term support for every version. So for 2018 there will be one LTS, for 2019 there will be one LTS, and 2020 and so on. There will be LTS for every year of the version. Click here, Unity 2019 for 4.29 F1, and yeah, just you need to hit the next. So this is something important. If you are using Visual Studio Community as your IDE, again, if you don't know what IDE is, you can skip this part. But I would recommend click on the Android build support, so you can build the games for the Android as well. Just click on that, as well as Windows build support. Just check on that. And documentation, if it is checked, just make it unchecked. No need of 547 MB, totally useless. So yeah, total there will be 3 ticks. Microsoft Visual Studio Community, another is Android build support, and the next one is Windows build support, so for making PC builds. Okay, so yeah, that's about it. You just need to click on the next, and I have read and agree all the terms and condition, and then done. I'm not going to install the version. After that, the downloading will start and everything will start, no issues. So yeah, like that's about it. Thanks a lot. If you have any doubts, feel free to ask them into our relevant channels. Thanks a lot.